Welcome to our recorded online class, Rufa. And we will start first with our date for today. So today is September 4, 2024. Our lesson will be about the ending sounds. So let's see. Just like yesterday, I want you to prepare a piece of paper if you don't have your board there with you, because we are going to write for our words and we are going to sound out for the last letter of your word. So how about for this one? I have here the picture of the fox. Now, what are the letters in the word fox? So how about I write it also for you on the screen? So for our word fox, what are the letters? We have the sound letter F. So the first one, F. The one in the middle, there's O sound. But what about for the one at the end? Our letter has the X sound at the end. For fox, it will be the letter X. So remember, X has the X sound and X is found at the end of fox. So this is how you spell the word fox. F-O-X. And I check for the word fox here because we have the ending sounds letter X. So how about let's move to another word and let's erase for this one. Let's go to another set. Okay, this one, we have the word iguana. Iguana. So how about this one? We have a long word iguana. I, G, U, A, N. But what about for the missing letter here? You have to hear it when I say iguana. Iguana. Ah. The one at the end is a sound. If it's a sound, we have letter A. So let's erase the question mark and let's write for A. By the way, if teacher is being fast, it's okay. You can pause the video, play it again once you're done. So here we have iguana and the A sound at the end, that's letter A. So this is how you spell the word iguana. Let's erase. I'm going to erase the letters here and let's move to the next. How about lion? Lion. We have the word lion. What are the letters in lion? L, I, O, and what's missing? Lion. Lion. The lion, it begins with L, but then at the end, it has the N sound. That's letter N. So let's erase the question mark and let's write for N. Sound letter N. Lion ends with N. Lion. You have letter N at the end. Let's erase this one. Let's go do another one. We have rabbit. Rabbit. What are the letters in rabbit? So we have R, A, B, and then another letter B. Then there's I. Now remember, rabbit at the end has the sound. What's the letter at the end of rabbit? The last letter has T sound, like in teacup, like in turtle. It should be letter T. So let's erase the question mark and let's write for T. Rabbit. At the end of the word rabbit, there is letter T. Rabbit. Let's go to another set and let's erase. What about another word? Another animal? We have our yak. Yak. So it's easy to remember the yak. It looks like a cow, but then it has a horn and it's hairy. So yaks live in the mountains, in the top of the mountains. Yak. How do we spell yak? Y. This is the letter Y. A. Go around, up and down. Let me erase this one. Letter A is too far. So we have A and your K. Line down, kick in, kick out. Yak. Do we have K at the end for letter K? Yes. So I did not put question mark anymore because remember before we had this word, this one is yak. K, K, letter K. K at the end of yak. So this is how you spell yak. Let's erase. Let's move on to the next. The last one. Okay, this one is an animal that you don't see a lot. It's called a narwhal. A narwhal has a horn on its head. Narwhal. And then it might look like a unicorn on its head, see with the horn. But they swim in cold waters. So narwhal, what are the letters? Let's write N A R W H A. Now you listen first. Narwhal. At the end has the L sound. Narwhal. L. So let's check. Remember the L sound, that should be what? Letter M, letter L. It is L. So let's write for L to end our word narwhal. Narwhal has letter L at the end. Narwhal. So let's erase since we already spelled for our words for the names of each animal. Let's go do another part of our class. And that is to do our work time. So for your work, I want you to go to page 39. This will be our work for today. And we are going to write the missing letter. Now, I want you to do first your name. Write your name first, and you get to also write the missing letters at the end. Are you ready? We are going to start. The first letter here that's missing has the T sound in net. Net. What should be the letter? The letter T. That is T. By the way, let me remind you, if I am being fast, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. So we have net. You can catch the butterfly, the insect, using a net. Net. Another one inside your body. This is called the ribs. That's a kind of bone to protect your heart and your lungs inside your body. Rib. Rib. There's an arrow pointing at the rib. B. What letter should we put? The one with the B sound. Letter B. That's rib. Another one, the line around your uniform, your skirt, your dress, your clothes. That's called a hem. At the end. Hem. 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 Mm. It has letter N, letter M. It's M, like in the mountain. So we have letter M lying down and two mountains M. So we have M at the end. Next, tub, tub, B, B. Letter what? B. I can take a bath in a tub. There's B at the end of tub. Okay, next we have our bat, bat. There's t sound at the end for bat. See, we have letter T. Another one, I can ride the cab. I can ride the cab. Cab has the B sound. Letter B, B, B. Lying down and make a bear's belly. That's the cab. Cab. Another one, if I have a bat, the one that I swing to hit the ball. So we have hit. At the end of hit, that's letter T, just like in the sound of turtle, T, letter T, hit. Next, I put jam on my bread. The sound at the end, jam. Letter P, letter M. That is M, line down two mountains, 1 and 2. That's jam, M at the end. Okay, another one, we have the pot, pot. Letter T, pot. So there you go. Those are the words that you need to write for. Let's review, okay? We have the word net, rib, hem. You also have the word tub, bat, tab. Then this is hit, jam, and pot. Now, if you are done with the work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. But if you're done, can we move to the next? I'll erase the writings on our screen and let's go to the next page. Our next page has the ones that end with G, N, and the letter D. So let's go to hen, hen. Hen, hen. Line down and make a hump, that is hen. The chicken, that's a mommy chicken, is called a hen. Hen. Another one, we have red. In your traffic light, there's color red for you to stop. Red. What's at the end of red? That's letter G or D? Letter D, line down. Donut to the side, red. Next, you have your mug. Mug. G. Letter what? Letter G. Go around up, line down with a hook. G. G. Letter G. You have the mug. So what about the next set? Okay, here, the cover of your box is called a lid. The at the end, letter F, letter D. It's letter D, line down. Donut to the side, lid. Okay, next we have our men. The men, your uncle, your grandpa, your dad, they are all men. Sound at the end. That's letter F, letter N. Letter N, line down, make a hump. Men. Okay, next you have the fog. Fog. Letter G. Sound at the end. The fog is a thick air that goes down. That's the fog. So let's make G go around, up, line down. You have your fog. Okay, next. After fog, we have the picture of the mud. So the pig likes to stay in the mud. At the end. That's letter P, letter D. Letter D. Let's make the mud line down and make a donut to the side for D to end the word mud. Okay, next, you have a van. A van is a kind of vehicle. V-A, sound at the end. Letter N, van. Okay, next, what did the dog do? The dog knows how to dig. At the end. That's letter J, letter G. It's the letter G like the gum. Go around, up, line down with a hook. So let's go back and let's review. You have hen, red, mug, lid, men, fog, mud, van, and dig. Those are some of your words that you need to remember and spell out correctly. Now, if you're done with the work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll be moving on to the next page. Let's go to the next part. And here we have words that end with P, X, and R. Remember to write your name first at the top of your worksheet. And I want you to help me write also for your letters there in your worksheet. So can we start? I'll start with the word box. Box has the X sound at the end. What letter does the X sound go? It goes in I or X? It's for X. So let's make X. How do you write it? Slide down, go back up, slide down again. So box and with X. Lip, lip. Lip has B or P. P at the end. Line down. Go back up. Make a pizza to the side. That is lip. Another one. This is car. R sound at the end. R letter R. Make R. Line down. Go back up. Make a rainbow at the top. Car. Okay, next we have our map. I can draw a map. Letter P. Lying down, make a pizza to the side. Okay, next you have your mop. Mop. Letter what? Letter P, line down. Make a pizza to the side. Fox, just like in box. It ends with letter S, letter X. X, line down. And slide down again. Jar, like in car. They have R sound, letter R. So make your R, line down. Go back up, make a rainbow. What about for pop? Pop. Is it letter A, letter P? P, P. Letter P, line down. Make a pizza to the side, that's pop. How about six? K, x, x. That's letter P, letter X. It should be X. Slide down, go back up again, and slide down. Now, how about we review our words? So let's go back. We have box, lip, car, map, mop, fox, jar, pop, and six. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. But if you're done already, can I move to the next page? Let's move to the next work. I'll be moving on to the next one, and that is to find the bubble, the right letter for your words here, your pictures. Now, I wasn't able to put a dabber for your envelope, but then maybe you can also use your crayon to color your bubbles. Next worksheets for the next work also will get to use your dabbers already, okay? Your dabbers are still here in school, Rufa. So how about let's go and dab for our letters. So I want you to dab for the letter, sorry, or color. Sorry, I want you to color for the letter of the hat. The missing letter there, at the end. It's going to be what? Hat. Letter T. How about jam? Letter what? Letter M. What about for hot? Letter T. What about for sob? Letter B. How about sub? Letter B. What about gum? Letter M. Ham. Letter M. Kit. Letter T. And your rat. Letter T. So here we have the letters that you need to color. Now, if you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Can I move to the next page? I am going to erase this one. Let's jump to the next in page 43. Okay, if you're starting to work on this one, remember to write first your name, okay? Now, if you're done writing, we need to color for our circles. Dog ends with the word, with the letter that has G sound. Dog. Is it D, N, or G? Dog. It's letter G. What about pad? Pad. Letter D. What about 10? 10. Letter N. How about can? Can. Letter N also. Pin. Pin. Letter N. Kid. Kid. Letter D. Bed. Bed. Letter D. Pig. Pig. Letter G. And sun. Sun. Letter N. So here are the letters that you need to color for your work. Now, if you're done, let's move to the next page. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let's erase because I'll be moving to the next page. And let's check. Okay, here we have our next set. Please write your name first. And if you're done writing, let's proceed to answering. Now, what about map? Map. Sound, letter P, map. Map has letter P at the end. Map. I can draw a map. Okay, next one, mix. Mix. Sound, letter X. mix. There's X at the end of mix. Next one, fix, fix. That's also letter X at the end. Car, letter R. Cup, letter P. Next one, hip, hip, letter P also. Dip, dip, letter P. Box, box, letter X. And jar, jar, letter R. Now, if you're done with the work and you check for our letters on the screen, good job for you. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll be erasing this one and I get to show you what's the next. And this is to tell you good job for finishing the work because that was the last page of your work for today. I'll be giving you your sticker, friend, and it is Gabby and the her cats in her dollhouse. I think you know this cartoon. I see you bringing your toys, the ones that look like this. And I'll see you again in our next class, Rufa. Bye-bye.